I'm Priyanka, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be like a lingerie guide sort of a video for curvy girls. It's going to be useful for others too, don't worry, but I'm majorly going to focus on curvy girls today because I've never done this sort of a video and a lot of you guys have been asking me for this. So most often, even though our dresses are amazing or our outfits are amazing, we're not sure what exactly to pair with that. Pairing the wrong sort of lingerie will actually spoil the entire look of the dress also sometimes. And sometimes we don't find the right kind of a lingerie or the comfortable sort of lingerie to pair with the outfit. I'm sure all of you guys agree and relate to this. So today I'm going to be talking about different types of lingerie that you would need. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different types of bras and also how you can actually pair them with your outfits to get a seamless and perfect look. So everything is from Zivame and I leave the links in the description box. So I'll be starting off with the basics. Of course, the basic and the most essential is a nude bra and it's an everyday bra. So as you can see, this doesn't have any padding and the fabric is actually very soft, and this part of it, the lines and everything is so seamless so that it doesn't show up on your outfit. So you can wear this on like regular wear like kurtas, saris, dresses and everything for daily use for college or office. So this is like a perfect everyday bra, and as you can see the coverage is also pretty good and it just has a basic lace here so that it doesn't look boring, but this is basically our everyday bra and it'll actually work out quite well and it's very comfortable. A lot of you guys actually keep asking what to wear on an everyday basis because you wouldn't want to wear something which is heavily padded or which has underwire which keeps poking. So this is your everyday bra which you can wear on any outfit and actually wear it when you're home and it'll be perfect. This sort of fabric, it does have little bit thickness, I think you can tell. So this way actually it'll make sure that even when the room temperature is really cold, it'll make sure that it is seamless. I got another everyday bra in a different color, so something like this bright and pink is also fun, and this one has like really nice pink straps and even if they pop up a little bit it doesn't look bad. So that's the reason I wanted to get this. Of course not everything in our wardrobe is going to be white or light colors, so you would need something a little dark too. So this is the next one that we have. This, as you can see, is like a full coverage. So when you're wearing like a lehenga top or any other kurtas with high necks or even sari blouses with high necks, these will actually be something that will work great, because if you're wearing something with high neck, we can't really wear something like this or something with like a deeper cut. So this is an answer for all the curvy girl problems. So like full coverage, and it does have underwire so you don't have to worry about it budging too much. So this will be great for any of those occasions like weddings, parties, or even when you're traveling if you're looking for something with full support. So the back has this sort of a net detailing and they're actually quite wide as you can see, so this will avoid the back bulging. So it'll be perfect for like blouses and even you know, lehenga and crop top sort of dresses. So next up we have the t-shirt bra. This is my favorite kind of bra because it's like basic. It goes with like t-shirts and every kind of outfit and every kind of fabric. As you can see, they're absolutely seamless and they have a little bit of padding, so these will be perfect for any of your t-shirts or t-shirt dresses or literally any fabric. So that's the best part about t-shirt bras. You can literally wear them on any fabric and they will not give you any lines, or it'll be seamless and the look will be amazing, and they're perfect for even the summer. And like I mentioned before, even if it is a little cold, this will be perfect because they have a little bit of padding, so you can always wear something with a little bit padding even if you're a curvy girl. That way it will give you guys like a good structure and overall it gives like a very good look. And then lastly we have something which is strapless. So this can be worn for any of your off-shoulder or like cold shoulder dresses or any of those strapless dresses, and these actually have those detachable straps which are in the same color, so you can actually wear it in different ways. You can use it as it is, or you can remove the straps and use it for strapless dresses. The material is actually quite perfect. It is quite similar to this one, so it can be worn on different fabrics. That's the best part. So even if you're wearing any thin fabric or lighter fabric or something that sticks to your body a little bit, even then this works great. And again, as I mentioned, it has very little padding. If you are a curvy girl and you don't want padding because it will make you look bulky, then you don't have to worry about it because it has like a thin padding, and that will be very useful. Trust me, don't wear something without any padding, or at least if it has absolutely no padding, then it should be this sort of material. It has like some sort of a lining inside. This part is actually that stretchable material, and the outer side of the fabric is a little more smoother to give that seamless look, but at least get something like this. Trust me guys, don't worry about you know, looking bulky and end up wearing something that has no padding or no thicker material at all. It'll look really bad when the climate is really cold. And because it's a strapless bra or a detachable straps bra, it has the silicone lining here. I hope it is visible on the camera. It has the silicone lining here so that it'll give us the grip that is necessary. So yeah, that was the last one of those bras, and I hope this video was useful. So that was it. Those are all the 5 basic bras which I wanted to show you guys, and I also wanted to show you guys how you can pair them the right way. So I hope this video was useful. Let me know in the comments below. So I hope this was informative, and that is it for this video guys. So I'll leave the links for everything in the description box. You can find them there, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any videos. I upload twice every week. I do a lot of fun shopping hauls, lookbooks, and styling videos, and beauty and lifestyle videos too. So do stay tuned for more, and I'll leave my Instagram handle here. Find me there as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.